We bet you've never been to this shopping mall before. Today, for the first time here on all Benidorm channels probably, we will be showing you a shopping mall that even ourselves, we've just discovered its whole part for the first time in 13 years of myself living here. We are at the shopping mall Lanoria, which is situated on the Avenue of Europe. This shopping mall is quite small, it's on the open air, and people don't even know a lot of the times that it actually exists. One of the most important key points of the shopping mall is the amount of businesses that are actually located here. And at this shopping mall, there's also the Alsa bus stop that brings you with buses, especially useful if you want to go to Alicante Airport. The bus stop is right here nearby. And these buses also go to different cities and towns of Valencian community and others every now and then. And you can actually get the bus ticket from here nearby. We'll show you right now where it actually is. There's plenty of bars and cafeterias that are located here nearby. There's even airport packs. Look at this, $6.50 and takeaway airport pack. Drinks and food. That's absolutely incredible. And all this is because right here on the right side, there's Alsa ticket vending place. They do speak in English too, obviously. And there's tickets to go to the airport, to go to Valencia, Alicante, longer distance buses. All this is right here nearby. You can pay with cash or by card. Then we have some snack places, cafes and bars with typical Spanish food, international breakfasts, drinks, a little bit of everything. Some places here are closed for the season, like this one here on the right. Others are spaces that are available. This one was a strange business. Now it's for rent. So, if you want some business you want to open out here, this is the place. There's a lot of real estate companies here too. It's quite cheap to rent a space here at the shopping mall. And this is Lanoria, the Ferris. It's like a wheel. That's how this place is actually called. At the bottom, there's also a private parking lot, so you can park the car there in case you need to go for the services, or if you have a rented vehicle, you just want to discover. There's a Euro clinic here nearby with international doctors, also extremely useful for all the tourists who are coming here to the area and don't know the Spanish language, and they have their private health insurance from their home country. And instead of going to the hospital, they want to go to a general doctor. This is the place where you could go. A very lovely open air shopping mall if you wish. We've never, ever went this far out here, and there's plenty of stairs that will bring you to the second floor, where there's even more businesses located. Obviously, the biggest perks are the Alsa bus stop and bus ticket purchase place, the international doctors, and there's also the Clinic Europa, which is right here in front of us on the right, the entrance of the parking right here too. Clinica Europa is a bigger clinic. There's a lot of specialties there. There's training, physiotherapy, etc. This one here, it works with international insurances too, also paid consultations and Spanish private health insurances, which is great. Sometimes if we don't get an appointment fast enough in other places, we go here as a last resort. So it is always great. It is quite effective, efficient. And you can see here there is family medicine, dentist, radiology, certificates of different kind, fit to fly, etc. And nearby there's so many other businesses. There's the Hotel Belroy, and the Levante Beach is right there in front of us. It's very close to Levante Beach and Mediterranean Avenue, right by the refurbished part. So everything is nearby. Benidorm has a few shopping malls like these ones. We have the indoor supermarket at the Rincon de Loige. We also have the open air shopping mall, mini mall, in the Rincon by the Mediterranean Avenue that we've showed you here on the channel. And now we have this one that we're discovering for the first time with you. There's a adventure agency here with different excursions, boat trips, theme parks, rentals, etc. We see some insurance companies, some general businesses here around the area, construction, building works, cafe bars, like these ones here, for some nice breakfast, some drinks, some snacks, some supermarkets as well with mobile phone top-ups in case you need it, like Lebara, Lika Mobile. There's also DG, and there's a few others that do work really, really well. International Saloon. Oh, that's good. There's like hairdressers and aesthetics place. There's clothing shops, more bars and cafeterias here nearby. This one has a menu of the day. That's nice, and it's not as expensive. Menu of the day for a burger. Stylists, great. Not sure why it's closed now. Maybe because it's Monday. It should be open. Maybe because it's opening up slightly further in the day. Let's go by these stairs. There are several of them, as you could have seen, one on the indoors and then on the outdoors. There's several accesses. Tourist broker? What is that? Tourist broker? What in the world is that? Huh? Tourist broker. I have no idea. Maybe it's just like people who are here just as tourists, and all of a sudden they say, oh yeah, let's purchase a house here. Not sure. But this is a strange name for a broker's agency. And we are right by the British Street, by the way. So yeah, it's all nearby. It's all touristy. And many people will definitely be passing here. Many people have passed through this space, I'm very sure. At least a few times, but never went inside. Specialists out here for beauty. Tattoo place, look at that. Tattoo place, some of the spaces that are for sale, that are available. Business solutions, well, that's more probably for people who are living here. Different types of construction companies, insurance companies, mostly for cars, household, life insurance. Health insurance, not so much, because this is not such a popular health insurance company just yet. And post office. National Post Office is also here nearby in case you want to send some postcards or some gift box to someone who's located outside while you're still here on holidays in Benidorm town. Or maybe for yourself, if you are not able to bring everything that you bought here back home, you can send a parcel. And then once you arrive home, you'll receive it. It will be as a gift from someone from Benidorm. But it's actually from yourself to yourself. Some more lovely cafeterias. Cafe Amsterdam, La Mancha, Brussels. That's interesting. It's like 3-in-1. They have a lot of snacks. It's like a typical Spanish cafe. Nothing fancy, but it's nice. These cafes usually have some of the best foods. Real estate companies for property sale. And many, many more businesses located here nearby. People are always curious. See, post office, more real estate, more real estate. Oh my goodness. Madero terapia. Oh, there's like a wood therapy. It's like a wooden therapy. That's interesting. Okay, so it's tattoo place plus wood therapy and like massage therapy. All in one. Eyelashes also. So it's like an aesthetics place. Wondering. That's interesting, actually. What else do we have out here? There's so many places about and around. That looks like gym. Wow. This is incredible. More real estate, more beauty salons, just so that you know. Micropigmentation. This is for like aesthetics and also for like micropigmented like makeup, permanent makeup, semi-permanent. National Nederlanden, not sure what do they do. Oh, insurance, pensions, etc. Yoga center. Ooh, there's even a yoga center here. So if you're staying here for a long time, or if you want to do like yoga here, that's where you can also go. That's interesting. I do see some of the places that are vacant now that are available, either for rent or for sale, but that's nice. Manicure, pedicure, beauty treatments, car rentals, permanents, tattoos. Ooh, My goodness, there are so many of these. That is insane. Wow. And then you have somewhere else, but I don't think it's going for businesses because there's no third floor. Oh, and this goes towards this goes towards the yellow brick road. Aha. Now we know exactly where it goes. Tattoo and piercing place, another place here. There is bicycle rentals, and this is a yellow brick road already. Look at this. Just by the Rockstar. Incredible. Here on the left, we have the rentals, the tattoo place that we've just seen, electric scooter rentals. All right. So there's electric scooters, Eco Rent, Benidorm. All right. They have scooters, they have bicycles here, maybe even something else for the mobility. And then there's a barber shop here nearby. This is an escape room. I wonder if it's not open now, probably from this side, but it is open. Escape rooms. Are you fans of an escape room? We've never been to one, actually. But it's really, really interesting. Look at that. Escape room. The Paradox, it's called. Ooh. That might be interesting, actually. Like a fun thing to do with a couple or like with a group of friends or even a family. That must be a lot of fun. More real estate companies. Oh my goodness. They're literally everywhere. Wow. That's a whole lot of them. Touristic apartments, travel agencies. This place is packed with businesses. Some brand for clothing. Ooh, that's nice. And we're back inside of the shopping mall. Wow. This doesn't look like a part of Benidorm, honestly. We're so surprised. We didn't think it's so big. Oh, and this is a private training. Okay, now I know what it is. It's like a private training place. It's a personal trainer. That's why they have some clothes here, and there's some training going on. It's lovely, actually. That's interesting. We are in a complete shock. We didn't know places like these. We didn't know it existed, but we didn't know it's that big. It's as big as it looks like. International property brokers. That's interesting. Administration, and we are already on the nearby streets here. Look at this. There's the British Street, there's Lepanto Street, there's Ibiza Street. This is just incredible. All this has been hiding here the whole entire time. Right by the Ibrox bar. Not sure if I pronounced it correctly, but yellow brick road. This shopping mall right here that looks small from the outside, but on the inside, packed up with businesses. Tourist help and information, private transfers out here to some bars, restaurants for food and drink, some Latin dancing here nearby, as you can see. Businesses here do shift quite a lot. It's not the busiest place to be, honestly, but I'm surprised. We didn't expect to see so many things. Obviously, some work needs to be done. It's improving slowly but surely. The place has been cleaned up. The yellow brick road is cleaner. It's nicer. It's tidier. It's more natural light here now. People just need to discover the shopping mall, and I'm quite sure you'll find a lot of the services here really, really useful.